Let's make salmon burn-ins. Welcome back to the channel, guys. Grilling Addiction with Nick. I'm Nick. Today we're gonna have smoky burn-in bites. We're gonna call this an appetizer. Guys, we're gonna get some great applewood smoke on it. We're gonna use the cherry chipotle ale rub. I think it's gonna give this thing great color, and I'm gonna show you guys a really neat glaze that we can use for these as well. Okay, got a good looking piece of sockeye salmon, and I'm gonna cut it into little burn-in cubes, and we're gonna get it on the Weber kettle. It's gonna be great. You guys hang around and let me show you guys this amazing recipe. Okay guys, I'm gonna show you how we're gonna get this prepared. Okay, what I want to do is I want to make uniform little cubes. Okay, and what was available to me was these 2 pieces of this sockeye salmon, and I'm going to take a good sharp knife. I've got a Victorinox boning knife here, and I want to make uniform lines here, and then we're going to cut it into cubes. Okay, and I'm going to opt to take the skin off on this. All right, and I'm going to go for like 1-inch cubes. I want to go ahead and make sure I cut all the way through the skin. All right, just like that right there. And then what we'll do is we'll turn around. Actually, we're going to go down to the skin. All right, once we've got to this point here, and you just want to take your knife, we'll go to that first one, and we're just going to fillet these off the skin. Try not to cut through the skin on the bottom. If you leave some on there, that's not a problem. But you come out with these nice little chunks. Now once I've got these cubed up, I'm going to go ahead and get the seasoning prepared. What we're going to do is we're going to take all these, we're going to put them in this bowl, and I'm going to hit them with the cherry chipotle ale rub. And then I'm going to show you guys how I'm going to do our glaze. Okay, our glaze today is going to be a Japanese barbecue sauce. This is the Kinder's brand of it. I like that one. And basically what I've done is I have a half of a bottle. It's a 15.5 ounce bottle, but I've got a half of a bottle. And I'm going to add a quarter of the rest of the bottle of this maple bourbon barrel aged maple syrup. Okay, it's going to make a great sticky glaze for these salmon burn-in bites, which is going to make an amazing appetizer for whatever event or gathering that you have. Okay, so first what I want to do is I just got a large bowl here, and I'm just going to hit this bowl with a little bit of an oil. I'm using a extra virgin olive oil, avocado oil. It's just what I had on hand. I sprayed the bottle down a little bit, or the bowl, and then we're just going to take these in, and we're just going to kind of gently put these in there. I'm kind of spreading them out so that I can get good coverage of the rub. And these are delicate, this is delicate meat, so be real careful as you handle it. Now we're going to hit it with a little bit more of the spray. All right, now I'm going to take my rub, and I'm going to estimate 1 to 2 tablespoons, but I want full coverage of all of this. Okay, so we're just going to sprinkle it over, and guys, I'm just going to toss them around and get them all covered, and then add a little bit more rub and just toss them around again. Guys, this is our fire setup right here. Basically, I've got some coals banked over here and unlit coals here. I want this to kind of come up slow, and I'm gonna use an apple wood chunk of wood, okay? Okay guys, here we're gonna go ahead and get our glaze set up. Remember, I've got a half of a bottle of the Kinder's Japanese barbecue sauce. These bottles work really good because it's gonna make it really good for you to use it to glaze these on the grill, okay? You could also put this in a heavy duty spray bottle and that would work for you as well. This whiskey barrel aged maple syrup, guys, this is some great stuff. This is the Crown brand, but this is really good. All right, guys, like I said, I'm gonna pour about a quarter of the rest of the bottle in there. About right there. And we'll just get this lid back on, and we'll give this a good shake. All right, guys, there's our glaze. Now we're gonna get our salmon burn-in bites on this rack. I wanna spray the rack down real good. We don't want them sticking. And we'll go with our rub one more time, just so we make sure we got great coverage. Kind of light. All right, guys, these are gonna go straight on the grill, just like that. Got that applewood smoke, it's gonna go right out. You wanna put the stack of your Weber kettle to naturally draft that out of there. Guys, while they cook, we're gonna go ahead and get the garnish prepared. I just got a green onion here. I'm gonna cut it at an angle and cut it nice and thin to make the colors pop. We're just gonna take these and we're gonna even them out. And we just stack them. And we're gonna go nice and thin at an angle. Guys, this is about 20 minutes in. We're aiming for a temperature of 165. I just checked them and they're setting at about 135, so we're getting there. Once we hit 150, I'm gonna go ahead and glaze them. All right, guys, it is glaze time. We're just gonna put our glaze over. We're gonna make sure we cover the whole thing. I got foil down underneath to catch any drips. We just want to cover all these with our glaze. This is the Japanese barbecue sauce with the maple syrup. We're just going to put this on here. We're going to let it all tack up. Guys, we got them done. I've got them here on the cutting board. Man, they look great. They smell great. That color's really popping. The glaze set up just like we wanted it to. Guys, I'm gonna get you down a little closer and I'm gonna show you how we're gonna garnish this. But man, take a look at these. Great cook. Remember, these are smoky salmon burn-in bites as an appetizer, okay? First thing I wanna do is I want to hit this with some sesame seeds. And then just a little bit of our green onion. Another great cook. Salmon burn ends, man. These things look great. We're gonna go ahead and give it a test for you guys on camera. Tell you what we think. Man, texture's just great. Man, these got some amazing flavor. This will definitely be a crowd pleaser. Man, make these, take them to your next tailgate, take them to your Thanksgiving dinner coming up. These are something that's a little different, but it will wow somebody. And man, they taste great. The cherry rub really is balanced on this, and that glazed came out great. Hey guys, if you like what we're doing, make sure you like and subscribe to our channel. And be sure to ring the notification bell so you don't miss any of our videos. Guys, that's the end of another great cook. We'll see you guys in the next video. We're out.